In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share my Outlook calendar with everyone else. Start by opening Outlook on the web. Head to outlook.com and once your mailbox loads, switch to the calendar view by selecting the calendar icon. This takes you to the place where all calendar sharing happens, so you can manage who sees your schedule and how much detail they can view. At the top right of the calendar page, click Share. Depending on your version, this may appear as sharing or sharing and permissions, but it's the same control. A panel opens where you'll choose exactly which calendar to share. If you have more than one calendar, make sure you select the correct one, such as your main work calendar rather than a personal or secondary calendar. This ensures you're sharing the schedule people actually need. Next, add the people or groups you want to share with. You can type individual coworkers, full company email addresses, or team groups used by your organization. As you type, Outlook suggests matches from your directory. Pick the correct entry so permissions apply to the right person or group. If you're sharing broadly with everyone else, adding a company-wide or department-wide group can save time and keep access up to date as people join and leave teams. Now choose the permission level for each person or group. View only allows others to see your availability without the specifics of your events, which is great for basic scheduling. View all details shows full event information, including titles, locations, and notes, which is helpful when transparency is needed. Can edit, let someone add, change, or delete events on this calendar, which is ideal for close collaborators. Delegate provides the most control. It allows a trusted person to manage your calendar and respond to meeting invitations on your behalf. Use this when someone actively coordinates your schedule. When your selections look right, click Share. Outlook sends an invitation so recipients can add your calendar to theirs. They may need to accept before it appears. If anything changes later, come back to the same Share panel to adjust permissions or remove access entirely. No need to start over. A quick tip: if privacy matters for certain entries, keep sensitive details in private events or stick with view only or view all details as appropriate. And if you manage multiple calendars, double check the calendar name at the top of the Share panel before sending.